Veteran Namibian striker Peter Shalulile has reportedly brought the curtain down on a glittering 6-year spell with Mamelodi Sundowns after the club opted not to extend his contract beyond June. The decision marks the end of an era for one of the most prolific forwards in the club's modern history, with Shalulile now set to become one of the most sought-after free agents ahead of the new season. The 31-year-old found first-team opportunities increasingly difficult to come by during the 2025-2026 campaign. His reduced role was compounded by the arrival and impressive performances of Brian Leon, who established himself as one of the coach Miguel Cardoso's preferred attacking options. Questions over Shaluli's future had surfaced long before the season concluded. A proposed transfer to Tunisian heavyweight Esperance Sportive de Tunis failed to materialize, leaving the experienced striker to see out the remainder of his contract in Pretoria. Although Cardoso repeatedly praised Shaluli's professionalism and qualities, the veteran forward struggled to reclaim a regular starting place as competition for attacking positions intensified. According to sources close to both the player and the club, Sundowns decided against activating the one-year extension clause in his contract when it expired at the end of June. Those close to the striker say he had anticipated the outcome after spending much of the season on the sidelines. A source said he could sense midway through the season that his journey at Sundowns was nearing its conclusion. He handled the situation professionally and never created any problems, but he believed he deserved more minutes on the pitch. Unfortunately for him, Leon was performing exceptionally well, and the coach trusted him in the biggest matches. Shalulile now enters the next chapter of his career with no shortage of admirers. Several clubs in South Africa and elsewhere on the continent are understood to have expressed interest in securing the services of one of the African football's most consistent goal scorers. His next destination remains undecided, but with his proven pedigree and wealth of experience, a resolution is expected in the coming weeks. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.